Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add a debit card in the Remitly app. Let's get started. First, open the Remitly app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon or the manage icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Payment Methods. Now, tap on Add Payment Method or Add at the top right corner of the screen. Now, choose Debit Card from the list of payment options. Enter your debit card details including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Also, write down the name mentioned in the card. Double-check your information to ensure accuracy. Once you have confirmed that the details are correct, tap on Save or Add Card. A confirmation message will appear to let you know your debit card has been successfully added. And that's it. Your debit card is now added to Remitly, making future transactions even more easier. Thanks for watching Financify, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.